Ever wondered why airplanes don't come equipped with parachutes for every passenger? It's a question that might pop into your head as you soar through the sky, a tiny metal bird seemingly miles above the safety of the ground. We buckle up in our cars, wear helmets on our bikes, but when it comes to airplanes, our safety net seems to disappear. Stick with me, and we'll explore why that is. The idea of parachutes on airplanes might seem like a straightforward solution at first glance. After all, if something goes wrong, wouldn't it be comforting to have a parachute to rely on? However, the reality is far more complex. Airplanes are designed with numerous safety features that make the need for parachutes almost redundant. Think of it this way, friends, birds aren't born with parachutes. They're built for flight, with wings designed to carry them through the air. Airplanes are similar. They are marvels of engineering, crafted to navigate the skies with precision and grace. But just as a bird relies on its instincts and the strength of its wings, airplanes depend on a complex system of safety measures and skilled professionals to ensure a safe journey. Let's delve deeper into these safety measures. Modern airplanes are equipped with advanced technology that monitors every aspect of the flight. From takeoff to landing, these systems are constantly working to ensure that everything goes smoothly. Pilots undergo rigorous training and are prepared to handle a wide range of scenarios. In addition, airplanes are built to withstand extreme conditions, from turbulence to lightning strikes. The idea of parachutes for every passenger also presents practical challenges. For one, the logistics of storing and maintaining hundreds of parachutes on a commercial flight are daunting. Parachutes require regular maintenance and checks to ensure they are in working order. Additionally, in the event of an emergency, the process of distributing and using parachutes would be chaotic and potentially dangerous. Think about the altitude at which commercial airplanes fly. At cruising altitude, the air is thin, and temperatures can drop to extremely low levels. Jumping out of an airplane at such heights would expose passengers to severe hypoxia and frostbite. Moreover, the speed at which airplanes travel would make it incredibly difficult to safely deploy a parachute. Instead of parachutes, airplanes are equipped with other safety features. Oxygen masks, life vests, and emergency slides are all designed to protect passengers in the unlikely event of an emergency. The focus is on preventing accidents from happening in the first place, rather than dealing with them after they occur. Air travel remains one of the safest modes of transportation. The aviation industry is constantly evolving, with new technologies and procedures being developed to enhance safety. Every aspect of a flight, from the design of the airplane to the training of the crew, is meticulously planned and executed to ensure the well-being of passengers. So before you jump out of your seat and demand a parachute, let's delve into the fascinating world of aviation safety. Understanding the complexities and advancements in this field can provide a sense of reassurance and appreciation for the incredible journey that is air travel. Next time you board a flight, take a moment to appreciate the intricate systems and dedicated professionals that make your journey possible. The sky may seem vast and daunting, but with the right knowledge and preparation, it becomes a realm of endless possibilities. Subscribe to our channel to explore the universe of knowledge with us. First and foremost, let's dispel the myth that airplanes are fragile tin cans hurtling through the air. These incredible machines are marvels of modern engineering, designed to be both resilient and reliable. When you see an airplane soaring through the sky, you're witnessing the culmination of decades of technological advancements and rigorous testing. These magnificent machines are designed with multiple layers of redundancy, much like a fortress built to withstand a siege. Every part of an airplane, from its smallest bolt to its largest wing, is crafted with precision and care. The maintenance crews work tirelessly to ensure that each aircraft is in peak condition, performing regular checks and repairs to keep everything running smoothly. From the strength of their wings to the power of their engines, every component is meticulously crafted to endure the rigors of flight. The wings, for instance, are designed to flex and bend, absorbing the forces of turbulence and providing stability. The engines, powerful and efficient, are capable of propelling the aircraft at incredible speeds while maintaining safety and reliability. The fuselage, the main body of the aircraft where passengers sit, is built to withstand incredible pressure and stress. This central structure is a marvel of engineering, designed to protect its occupants from the harsh conditions of high-altitude flight. Engineers meticulously inspect the fuselage to ensure it can handle the immense forces it encounters during each journey. It's designed to hold together even under extreme conditions, whether it's flying through stormy weather, landing in tough conditions, or performing emergency maneuvers, the aircraft is built to remain intact and keep its passengers safe. The rigorous testing and stringent safety standards ensure that these flying fortresses can handle almost anything thrown their way. And let's not forget the pilots, our captains of the sky, who undergo rigorous training to handle any situation that might arise. These highly skilled professionals spend countless hours in simulators, practicing emergency procedures and honing their skills. Their expertise and calm demeanor are crucial in ensuring the safety and comfort of everyone on board. So, the next time you board a plane, remember the incredible engineering and dedicated professionals that make your journey possible. Now imagine for a moment that every passenger did have a parachute. In the unlikely event of an emergency, time would become our greatest enemy. Picture a cabin full of passengers, panic rising. Now envision trying to instruct everyone on how to properly secure and use a parachute in a matter of minutes, all while the plane is potentially in a critical situation. The time it would take to distribute parachutes, provide instructions, and ensure everyone is properly equipped could mean the difference between life and death. In an emergency, every second counts. Parachuting isn't as simple as strapping on a backpack and jumping out of a plane. It requires specialized training and a level head. Even experienced skydivers will tell you that every jump is different, requiring careful assessment of altitude, wind speed, and other factors. Expecting an average passenger with no prior experience to successfully navigate a parachute landing is simply unrealistic. It's like asking someone who's never ridden a bike to compete in the Tour de France. Section 5. A sea of silk, beautiful but impractical. Let's consider the sheer logistics of equipping every airplane with parachutes. Imagine the space required to store hundreds of parachutes on board. It would be like trying to fit a herd of elephants in a phone booth. Not to mention the added weight of all that equipment. Airplanes are designed with meticulous precision, and adding such a significant weight factor would impact fuel efficiency, flight range, and ultimately the cost of air travel. Section 6. Cost and chaos in the clouds. Speaking of cost, outfitting every commercial aircraft with parachutes would be an astronomical expense. The parachutes themselves, the storage, the mandatory training for the crew, it all adds up. And who do you think would end up footing the bill? That's right, the passengers. Air travel is already a significant expense for many. Adding the cost of parachute systems would make it inaccessible for a large portion of the population. It would be like charging a small fortune for a life jacket on a ferry crossing. Section 7. The silent guardians of flight. Instead of parachutes, modern aviation relies on a sophisticated network of safety measures that work tirelessly behind the scenes. These measures are the unsung heroes of the skies, ensuring that every flight is as safe as possible. From air traffic control, which monitors the skies and guides aircraft safely to their destinations, to the ground crews who meticulously check every detail before takeoff, the aviation industry is a well-oiled machine. Rigorous maintenance schedules ensure that every nut and bolt is in top condition. These schedules are not just routine, they are critical to the safety of every flight. Mechanics and engineers work around the clock, inspecting and repairing to prevent any potential issues. Countless safeguards are in place, from pre-flight checks to in-flight monitoring systems. These layers of safety are designed to catch any anomalies before they become problems. And let's not forget about the incredible advancements in aircraft design and technology. Modern airplanes are marvels of engineering, built with materials that are both lightweight and incredibly strong. Modern airplanes are equipped with sophisticated autopilot systems that can handle a variety of tasks, from maintaining altitude to navigating complex flight paths. These systems are designed to assist pilots, making their jobs easier and flights safer. Weather radar systems are another crucial component, allowing pilots to navigate around storms and avoid turbulence. These systems provide real-time data, helping pilots make informed decisions to ensure a smooth flight. Emergency systems are designed to keep the plane airborne in case of engine failure or other critical issues. These systems include backup engines, redundant controls, and other fail-safes that provide an extra layer of security. The dedication and expertise of everyone involved in aviation, from the pilots to the ground crew, ensure that air travel remains one of the safest modes of transportation. These silent guardians of flight work tirelessly to keep us safe, often without us even realizing it. Section 8. Trust in the titans of engineering. So, the next time you find yourself gazing out of an airplane window, remember this: you are not just a passenger on a plane, you are a participant in a triumph of human ingenuity. You are flying in a machine that embodies the pinnacle of engineering, operated by highly trained professionals, and guided by a network of safety systems that span the globe. Trust in the science, trust in the technology, and trust in the dedicated individuals who work tirelessly to ensure that every flight is as safe as humanly possible. Section 9. Soaring safely into the future. Instead of parachutes, the future of aviation safety lies in continued innovation and advancements in technology. We're talking about even more sophisticated aircraft, enhanced pilot training programs, and smarter air traffic management systems. So buckle up, relax, and enjoy the ride. The golden age of air travel is far from over. In fact, it's just taking off.